This is a video about me coming to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is in South America, and the biggest part of the Amazon rainforest is in Brazil. To go to the Amazon rainforest, I flew from Hanoi to Brazil. I flew this small plane from Brazil to the Amazon rainforest, and it's so exciting. Whoa, look at that. It is so beautiful. There are so many trees and river. When the plane landed, I explored the Amazon rainforest with this car. In the Amazon rainforest, we see a lot of insect and animal like an emerald tree boa, leopards, sloths, spiders, and monkeys. Oh dear, there is a fire because people need some land to build houses and farm, and animals are running away from the fire. We have to run away too. We ran to the river and walked along the river, and then the native tribe found us and bring us back to the village. They give us food which they caught themselves, and it is so delicious. We returned to the city in Brazil and flew back to Vietnam. And the part I like is the animal and the delicious food which the native tribe give us. Bye bye, Amazon rainforest. Thank you for a great day.